Hello guys, welcome to Happy Streamers channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to import fonts on CapCut. So guys, at first go to your browser, then tap on the search bar and search thefont.com. Now find the font you want. So I am selecting this one and then tap on download. So guys, now go to your CapCut, tap on text, tap on add text. Now tap on add font, and guys, here you will find here that font. So tap on it and write something. So guys, that's it. That's how you can do it. So guys, I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, then please give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching the video.